Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sheikh Mira. I am going to describe the how to write assignments for MS Psychology first year and second year also same procedure is there. IGNOU MS Psychology assignments preparation is term and examination preparation. That is, it is gives a final for preparation, final exam preparation. It gives wonderful experience. It is helps me assignment preparation helps me to score more marks. I got first class in MS Psychology. That's why you also get for the same marks and first class and 70 marks above or 80 marks above, 90 marks above. So please prepare assignments on your own. It helps in get more marks in exams. The first year subjects are cognitive psychology, learning and memory, MPC 001, and lifespan psychology, MPC 002, personality, theories and assessment, MPC 003, advanced social psychology, MPC 004, research methods, MPC 005, statistics in psychology, MPC 006. There are six subjects in first year and one practical. So you must download the assignments brochure from the website, and I got my for your reference. I got first and second year assignment marks for reference. That is the please check my assignment marks. I got in 79, 70s, 89, 69, 74, 80, 68, 63, and double eight. So you also get there is a 9 months for assignment preparation. Monthly one take your one subject and write your own handwriting and in A4 size papers. It gives more confidence in your exams. Download the assignments from IGNOU website for references side. See the photos and that is the given last date up to March and instruction follow the instructions. Write the responses in your own handwriting. Don't print or type the answers. Don't copy your answers from units and blocks and sent to you by the university. If you copy, you will get 0 marks from the for the respective question. You know the conditions are very good. Don't copy from the response sheets of the other students. If copying is noticed, the assignments of such students will be rejected. Write each assignment separately. Follow the instructions of the brochure. So, friends, it is very important. It gives more confidence on the subjects. Write on your handwriting. Take no problem. I submit my first year assignments with my handwriting, spiral binding in study sessions. Spiral binding for each subject separate. Take no acknowledgement copy from the study center. I prepared assignments from 30 to 40% by internet and YouTube references. Take online references, textbooks and other this. 30-40% on your own handwriting, on your own prepare your notes, and other 60 to 70% by textbooks. That mix that two references, it gives more confidence. Write confidently. You monthly one subject. It hardly gives more confidence in your subjects. It gives more confidence in your subjects and it gives more indirectly it is preparation for the final such exams. So friends, it is very good. Thank you for your encouragement in my videos. Like my video, please like my video, share my video, subscribe my video, and thank you friends. Thank you friends. Thank you friends. Thank you.